Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use custom numbering format in Microsoft Excel. So I have got set of data, and let's assume I want to apply some numbering format to this data in column C. I can do this by simply going into the number area and selecting my desired format from the drop-down list. I can apply currency, I can apply accounting, and I can choose the number format, or I can go back to journal. I can also click on this small arrow. This will open format cell dialog box for me. I can select number, I can apply 1000 separator, and I can adjust the number of decimal places. In addition to the built-in numbering formats, Microsoft Excel allows us to define our own numbering format. So for each numbering format, whether it is custom defined or it is built-in numbering format, the syntax is same. It consists of 4 parts. First part is positive format, second part is negative format, third part is zero format, and the fourth part is text format. So let me define my own numbering format and apply to this column C. I will select this number, I will press Ctrl 1, and from the number area I will select custom. Now for the first part or the positive part, I will put hash comma hash hash hash. Hash is basically a placeholder for a number, and it could be any number. Then I'll put semicolon. For the negative part, I want that number to be displayed in red color, so I will put a square bracket. I will type in red and I will close the square bracket. Also, I want my negative number to appear with a negative sign, so I will put a negative sign, and then again I will put hash comma hash hash and hash. For the zero format, I will put 0 for now, but you can use 0.00 if you wish to show the decimal places also. I am going to put 0 only. And for the last part, which is text format, I will put semicolon, and here I'm putting type a number. So what it will do, if I put any text into this area, this will give me a message to type a number. So click OK. The formatting has been applied. You cannot see a difference. Let me change one of the values to a negative value. Now you can see the value has turned into red. If there is any zero value, you put a 0, you will find a 0 digit displayed. Let me do a small modification to this. If I select these numbers and I don't want 0 to be displayed, but I don't want to delete this 0, I will go back again to my numbering format, and in the 0 format area, instead of 0, I will put hash. Also, I want my negative numbers to be shown in bracket. So here, instead of minus, I will put brackets, and hash comma hash 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 will be inside the brackets. Click OK. Now you can see I have this negative number in the bracket. Also, this 0 has disappeared, but actually 0 has not been deleted. So this is how you can apply the custom numbering formats to your data in Microsoft Excel. If you have liked this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.